Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about division by a one-digit number. You know the division from the previous class. Now we start the exercise 4.3. That is, first question is find the quotient and the remainder and then verify your answer. First question is 36,127 divided by 5. Then first we arrange the number in this form 36,127 divided by 5. Divisor has one digit, so we take one digit from the dividend. Then 5 is not in 3, so we take 36. Then 5 is 7 times in 36. 7 5s are 35. Then we subtract 36 minus 35, we get 1. You bring down the next digit 1, then you get 11. Then 5 is 2 times in 11. 2 5s are 10. Again we subtract 11 minus 10, we get 1. Then next digit 2 you will bring down, that is 12. That is 5 is 2 times in 12. 2 5s are 10. Then 12 minus 10 you get 2. Again you bring down the 7. Next digit 7 here. Then it is 27. Then 5 is 5 times in 27. So you subtract 27 minus 25, you get 2. The remainder 2. The answer is quotient is 7,225 and the remainder equal to 2. Verification of this quotient and the remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is 5 is the divisor, 7,225 is the quotient plus 2 is the remainder. Then 5 into 7,225 equal to 36,125 plus 2, you get 36,127. That is our dividend. So the answer is correct. Next question, 23,612 divided by 3. Again we arrange these numbers in the form. We take first 2 digit 23. Then how many times 3 in 23? You know the table of 3. 7 3s are 21. So we write 7 3s are 21. 23 minus 21, we get remainder 2. You bring down the next digit 6. Then 26 is the number dividend. Then you check the table of 3. 8 3s are 24. Then you subtract 26 minus 24. You get the remainder 2. Then again you bring down the next digit 1. You get 21. Then 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 21 you get remainder 0. Next you bring down the last digit 2 here. Then 2. Divisor is 3. Dividend is 2. Dividend is smaller than the divisor. We cannot divide, so we put 1 0 in the quotient. Then 2 remains the remainder. Then the quotient equal to 7,870 and the remainder equal to 2. Then you can verify the answer. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then you can multiply the divisor and the quotient plus remainder, you get 23,612. That is our dividend. So the answer is correct. The next question, 89,721 divided by 9. You arrange these numbers in the form. Then divisor is 9. First digit 8. 9 is not coming. 8, so we take 2 digit 89. You know the table of 9. 9 9s are 81. Then we subtract 89 minus 81, we get 8 remainder, that is 87. Next you bring down the next digit, so we get 87. Then again 9 in 87, 9 times, 9 nines are 81. 87 minus 81, we get the 6 is the remainder. Then you bring down the next digit 2 here, that is 62. Again you check the table of 9, then 9 6 are 54, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63. So 9 6 are 54. Then you subtract 62 minus 54, you get the answer remainder 8. Again you bring down the next digit 1 here, you get 81. Then 9 nines are 81. 81 minus 81 equal to 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 9,969. Then you can check verify the answer. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 9 into 9,969 plus 0 equal to 89,721. That is your dividend. So the answer is correct. The second question, divide and filling the blanks. In your book, second question, some digits are given there, 70,845 and 6 is given there. Then some blanks is also given. Then you can fill the number same as the previous exercise, previous question. 1 6 are 6 remainder, then you bring down 0, then again you write the answer. Then you can solve this problem in this form, then you get the remainder and the quotient. The same second question also you continue this form, that is 1 8s are 8, then you bring the 8 minus 8 equal to 0, you bring down 0 here, then 0, 8 is not in 0, so we put 1 0 in the quotient. Then again you bring down the next digit 8, then 1 8s are 8, 8 minus 8 equal to 0, then you bring down the next digit, that is 0, 0, 8 is not coming 0, so we put 1 0 in the quotient. Again you bring down the next digit, that is 8, 1 8s are 8, you get the remainder 0. The third question is find the dividend if, that is divisor, quotient and remainder are given, you will find the dividend. Divisor, quotient, remainder are given, you will find the dividend. Then dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You know the equation. Then you can apply the digits are given, divisor equal to 4 into quotient equal to 6,313 plus remainder is 0 is given, you will find the dividend, that is 25,252. Again you can solve the question B, C, D and etc. the same method. Now you will solve your exercise 4.3.